afambu CHIOMA oji achọm iwetara unu tata ọtụtụ ilu Igbo. Ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eli okwu. Gee ntị ka ịnụ ilu dị iche iche. Before I continue, I would like to tell you that the Igbos are rich with our beautiful cultural heritage. Hardworking men and women, the Igbos are very productive. You hardly go to any part of the world that you don't see an Igbo man. Igbo kwenu! I want to take you to a Yoruba man who can tell you beautiful things about the Igbo people. Let's go. So now we are with Mr. Ibrahim and he's holding the talking drum. There was a time I used the talking drum in my video. The talking drum is basically used by the 3 ethnic groups, but mainly used by the Yoruba people, and that's why he's holding it. But the Igbos can also use the talking drum. Okay, so Mr. Ibrahim, what do you like about the Igbo people?
Oh, good afternoon, house. I really love Igbo people because they are more of hardworking, smart, and a lot of rich people, and they are well-oriented business. Where you enter without seeing Igbo people, man, please run away from that area.
Okay, I want you to join me to say Igbo kwenu. Igbo.
Igbo kwenu.
Kwezeno.
Ezeno.
Onye dị ndụ ga-ahụ ihe ọma. When there's life, there's hope. Live your life to the fullest and enjoy. Make sure you work very hard because when there's life, there's hope. Daalụ maka ige ntị. Biko, nyere m aka tụsa ozi a.